Tattoo, an ancient and mysterious art, carries human history and culture. Tattoos pass through civilizations such as Egypt, Greece, and Gaul, and were introduced to Europe and become a popular trend. Nowadays, tattoos have become very common, serving as personal decoration, artistic expression, and carrying culture and emotion. Recently, everyone has been paying attention to the hot topic. See forgotten Norse blue face tattoo from Post Malone to celebrate his 50th birthday. Football stars such as Lionel Messi, Neymar Jr., Kylian, David Beckham, Sergio Ramos, etc. Angelina Jolie, Rihanna, Justin Bieber, Miley Cyrus. Many other celebrities love tattoos. Of course, there are also celebrities who do not have tattoos, such as Cristiano Ronaldo. Reports say that one of the reasons why he chose not to have tattoos was so that he could donate blood. When looking for a unique and personalized tattoo, have you ever struggled to find a design? No, Midjourney will open a new door of art for you and lead you to explore the charm of tattoo design. Each tattoo carries a personal story and emotion. You can choose or create different styles of tattoo designs based on your preferences and needs to create a personalized tattoo that meets your inner expectations. Today, I will show you how to create the most mainstream style tattoo pictures through Midjourney. In order to ensure that the image display effect is real and reliable, I will add no keyword to remove elements other than the tattoo image. You can modify the main body according to the prompt words to create your ideal personalized tattoo. Hello everyone, I am your friend Live Winners. Welcome back to my design class.